I'm going to show you the first step of cupping tools. You need a hemostat, typically a surgical tool, right? But also known as a roach clip. This is a really big one. This is not actually a standard one. They're usually longer and they don't have the loop on the end when people use them for the slaying usage. That's a lack of better word, recreational usage. Anyway, this one's been my favorite because it is so long that when I use a cup, I'm going to use glass cups to show you, I have enough distance to go all the way in and out without having any of the flame issues. I like a pretty large flame and I like using big cups. So what do? I've got some tiny cotton balls. I actually either use these and bundle them up, or I like to use the cotton pads, the facial cleansing pads, but I'm going to show you how to use these right now. So what you want to do is first grab the cotton balls and start creating a base clip and fluff them. 3, since these are the small ones, I'm going to aim for about 5, because with a larger cup, the more cotton you need, or as I like to say, the bigger the cup, the more balls needed. So anyway, so I've got this fanned out and I've got a holding point, and I'm going to go ahead and clip right at the very end like I was holding and recheck the fan. Does not have to be perfect. And then when you do fire cupping, you have to use 91% rubbing alcohol. So 91% wherever you get it, not the 70. The 70 won't make a hot enough fire to burn off the alcohol. So what I will do to saturate these is go ahead and pour it all the way over until they're completely saturated. I'll just kind of spread it around. Make sure it's not going to drip. So I squeeze it out a little bit, and I'm going to refluff. Set that. So this is literally just learning how to make the cotton flame, and it's set. My hand's pretty wet, so don't set your hand on fire. I love fire, if you can't tell. This doesn't intimidate me at all with its weirdness. So the basic idea is, once you have it, keep your other rubbing alcohol away, and then learn how to. And of course, you light it at the bottom. That makes a pretty good flame. So with just this alone, you've got a great flame for filling the entire cup, and I will continue to do this in a few videos. Show you guys how to do this stuff. This is folk medicine. It's part of the Chinese medicine's skill set, but it is folk medicine, and it's wonderful stuff. So when the flame is brand new like this and big, it's best to blow it out at the base. One big, strong breath at the base going up. That's it for now.